jobs, like a small state of Goa, where the jobs are the least compared to the rest of the country. Don't we have to find them in their, they call this state, every person from the state in India calls their state their homeland, where they were born, their ancestors were born. So we expect that the jobs be given priority, and it doesn't make us anti-national. It is absolutely a national thing, because people have started having animosity because of you're taking my job. So fact is that we will make a plea to Shri Narendra Modi ji, our PM, our honorable PM, that please look into this and ensure, starting from Goa.
In fact, we had also asked for to increase the domicile years. It's not only 15, from 25 to 30. Okay, and we had said that those who have got 25 years or 30 years, raise करात म्हणून तुम्ही. या 15 वर्सां कोणी रावता हांगा 15 वर्सांनी आपण मागीर गोंयकार म्हणटा आनी तांकां इजिली जॉब्स मेळटा. सगळ्याच जगातल्या लोकांक हांगा जॉब्स मेळटा, पूण आमच्या गोंयकारांक जॉब्स मेळना.
The next muddo, by the way, since he spoke about the trees, before I move ahead to the next one, we have also requested the CM and going with a petition saying that we want technology where we can shift the tree from its place to another place and relocate instead of cutting.